Unbelievable, this is truly the most practical design. This rural wood stove is sleek, elegant, and highly efficient, delivering massive heat with very little fuel. It's a unique design from a master mason with 60 years of experience, yet the process is surprisingly simple. First, we frame the base with red bricks to create a square structure, making sure to leave one side open for air intake. Continue building up the walls. Once you reach 5 layers in height, add 4 layers of internal brick supports and place 2 wooden boards across them. On top of the boards, we place a curved template and begin masonry work following its arc to form a perfect arch. This not only enhances the look but adds incredible structural integrity. We leave a gap in the center and fill the sides with custom-cut bricks to create a level surface for the next stage. Place a basin in the center as a mold and build around it with half bricks to define the combustion chamber's height. You can adjust this based on your needs. Then, we place steel bars over the fuel intake and fill with cement to reinforce the top. Don't forget to leave a gap at the back for the chimney installation. The main structure is now complete. To make it durable and ensure perfect insulation, we line the interior of the firebox with a thick layer of viscous yellow mud. This is cost-effective and significantly extends the stove's lifespan, a true win-win. And there it is, a clean, multifunctional outdoor stove. Just add a grate over the center, and it's ready for use. It produces intense heat, minimal smoke, and even transforms into a grill. What do you think of this masterpiece? Subscribe to Behind the Factory Gates for more incredible builds.